Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
Two girls had a birthday party. A cat watched as they arrived in a car. They blew out candles on a cake. She gifted a cap to her friend. Sharing is a good thing. Dear kids, let's meet with a new alphabet, C. And sound of C is k, k, k. Cat, k, k. Car, k, k. Cap, k, k. Cup, k, k. Candle, k, k. Cake. Dear kids, what do we use candles for? What happens when you blow a candle? See you in the next lesson.